What is going on, everybody? I hope everyone is doing well. Alright, today we're just changing up the gameplay a little bit. We're going to try a little bit of everything here in Star Citizen. And we are doing a bunker mission. It's been a minute since I did this one. Is this the entrance? No. And, oh, here, we got somebody. Alright, let's do it. Okay. And right there. It's actually the first time I'm actually utilizing this lean over. Wait, there's somebody right there. Oh, man. I'm hurting. Okay. I think there was one more. Where is he? I don't want to use my light. I don't want to give my position away. Okay. Heal. Okay, there we go. Alright. As usual, I like to try to raid or loot as much as I can from everybody. Okay, let's grab all that. These are less things that I'm going to have to pay for. Yeah, I know, I may be a little cheap. Alright, let's do this. Elevator's going down. Kind of like this whole lean over thing. Oh, wait, there's a guy there. And oh, I'm so sorry. Right in his butt. Okay, next. Alright, let's clear this and then we'll continue looting. Alright, now that we have made it back, we got to do some repairs and also restock the ship. So let's go ahead. Let's head over to landing. Ugh. Oh my gosh, this bug. Okay, so what's happening here is we are unable to access the vehicle maintenance service. And I'm not going to be able to refuel, repair, or even restock. Alright, whatever. Let's just continue. Alright, now we're just going to be offloading all of our stuff from our container that we loaded up from our looting. And let's find ourselves another mission. I think this one we're going to do is we're going to help out a ship. They're under attack by some pirates. Oh yeah. Alright, that is it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Think about subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you are notified every time we release a new video. Also, if you like the video, why don't you go ahead, give us a thumbs up. We are exploring 4.0 preview. So far, we found a couple of bugs, but hopefully they'll fix it. Until the next time, who knows, maybe we'll see you out there.